Yo, what's happening, guys? So I'm going to do a keyword research tutorial with you guys today. And did you know that ChatGPT can actually help you do some keyword research? This is going to allow you to find way more keywords in a much shorter time period, and I'm going to show you the full process right now. So let's open up an incognito window, and I'll just go over basically how you would do keyword research in the past without the use of using AI tools like ChatGPT. Okay, this is a real game changer. So normally you go to the search bar in an incognito tab. You can see I'm in incognito tab there. How to Instagram. Okay, then you would want to put an action word, how to add, for an example, and you get all these auto suggestions that pop up, and you would rinse and repeat that process until you have a list of 10, 20, 30 keywords, and that's what you would do. And when you found one, you would basically click on it. Okay, you wouldn't just take it straight from the search bar. You would click on the search results, you would qualify the keyword, and so on. Okay, so now let's get into the ChatGPT method on how we can find these keywords, and then I'll show you how to qualify them. Okay, so we're going to use that incognito tab later. Okay, let's just open up ChatGPT, and you don't need ChatGPT Plus for this. Okay, you can do this on the free plan. Okay, so I'll just open up ChatGPT real quick. Alright, so you want to start a new chat on ChatGPT, and you want to train ChatGPT just a little bit. So you might want to write something like, I want you to get in the role of a professional YouTube keyword researcher. Okay, and then they're going to act like they have all that experience, and ChatGPT actually does. And then you want to say, can you give me, let's just say 10 keyword video topic ideas about Instagram, and then the topics should be based off the YouTube auto suggest feature. And then you just want to hit enter, and ChatGPT will come back. It's going to say searching the web, and it says here are 10 keyword driven video topics about Instagram inspired by what people often see via YouTube autocomplete, which is good auto suggest. Use them or slight variants as titles or seed ideas. Okay, so we're going to have a look at this right now. Instagram tips for beginners 2025. Okay, that could be like a longer form video. How to grow on Instagram organically, Instagram reel ideas that actually work. And let's just go on to the auto suggest on YouTube and see if these are actually what people are looking for. So I know, let's see this, best Instagram hashtags for engagement. Okay, so I'm going to open up that incognito window again and type best Instagram hashtags for engagement. And you can see it says ... and then engagement right there, which means people are actively searching for that. And you can see there is some search volume here. Not too much, but these are just the seed phrases, and you want to get those like nice how-to topics from ChatGPT. I'm going to say perfect. Can you give me 10 Instagram topics based off the auto suggest, but make them how-to topics. The topics need a good amount of search volume and not so much competition. And I'll show you what you can do once you've got these 10 words, 10 keyword ideas. And then ChatGPT is going to go and search the web again, searching for these. Here are 10 how-to Instagram video topics drawn from the trends to show up auto suggest. Okay, how to use Instagram keywords in captions. That's a pretty good one. How to hide keywords in Instagram stories. Okay, let's see this. How to hide keywords in Instagram stories. We're going to go back to that incognito. Okay, how to hide keywords in Instagram. Okay, I'm on the YouTube incognito tab and I typed how to hide keywords in Instagram story, but it looks like the most relevant one is how to hide tags in Instagram story. So if we go ahead and click on that, you can see this is pretty good. 22K 1 year ago, 48K 1 year ago. Let's try to find something more recent. Okay, if you rank at the top, 162K. So these are good search, these are actually good keywords. So what I'm doing now is I'm qualifying the keyword, because I'm not just going to go onto ChatGPT and copy and paste it. You want to qualify it to make sure it is a good one. Let's try this one, how to use Instagram keywords in captions. Okay, so you'll go back to your incognito tab. How to use, what is it? How to use Instagram keywords, how to use keywords in Instagram captions, how to use keywords in Instagram captions. Okay, there it is. And you just want to repeat this process with all the keywords until you find you filter out for the good ones. Okay, hashtags don't work, do this instead. 77K, but that's a personal brand. Okay, so you can see there is some search volume right here, and this just takes the workload off you just a little bit when it comes to doing your keyword research. And let's just try to find another one. How to recover deleted Instagram messages. Let's test that one. How to recover deleted Instagram messages and chats. Or this one, messages. So that was a really good one. Doesn't have the best, this 450K 2 years ago, that's good. 75K 3 months ago. So this one so far is the best keyword, but we only got 10 keywords from ChatGPT. So you can see this channel was able to get 75K three months ago, and it's not the biggest channel in the world, 68.1K. And is this a search-based channel? You just want to check. Yes, it is. It's a typical search-based type of channel, which is good. That's a good sign. So what you can do now is go to ChatGPT and you want to ask it. I'm just going to say, great. Can you give me 200 topics about Instagram based off the previous research, and then see what ChatGPT comes back with. Searching the web once again, that's a lot, but here are 200 how-to topic ideas, and there you go, you get the whole entire list right here. And what you have now is just to do the qualification process, which I just covered with you. But you can see in less than 10 seconds ChatGPT came back with 200 ideas, and then you can repeat that process and do Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, okay, Messenger, Facebook, and then you have thousands and thousands of keyword ideas to go off. Okay, so that's what you can do to simplify your keyword research if you're struggling with the typical search bar method using the search bar. Hope this was valuable for you. If it was, drop a like on the video, that's appreciated. Subscribe to the channel down below and comment anything related to search-based YouTube automation in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.